Ever seen a crow just sitting there, letting hundreds of ants crawl all over it? Looks painful, right? But it's not what you think. This crow isn't being attacked. It's actually getting a treatment. The process is called anting. Crows let ants crawl on them on purpose. Why? Because when ants bite, they release something called formic acid. And that acid helps kill all the parasites and mites living on the bird's body. Basically, it's like a natural spa session. Tiny bug doctors giving this crow a full detox. So next time you see a bird covered in ants, don't feel sorry for it. It's just enjoying a little ant therapy.